Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us, and guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. So by watching my videos, guys, today I'm going to buy the sand to trip, and I think this is my last day in my village. So technically, guys, that's how my intro starts, a random video. So it depends the time, guys, when I'm releasing these videos. I'm a kind of like hurry, guys. I can't wait, guys, to travel to my new destination. But that's the next videos, guys, so stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. So I'm going to look the guy who will bring the material here, the same guy who brought the materials. I'm going to look him. Like on my yesterday, I tried to find him, and then the vehicle or tractors have some issues here and there, and then I said, okay, let's do it tomorrow, of which is today. So my last videos, I was packing clothes. So let's go, guys, to buy the sand with me. Guys, it's early morning over here, and we just outside. So today I'm going to prepare on the other side where I will bring the materials right now, guys. So guys, to be honest, this is my last videos in my village. So I told you guys when I left home I should bring material and then I go, guys. So to be specific, this is my last videos. My baby just over there. Also have my brother going to work. Say hello.
Hello.
You good? Yeah, guys, that's my brother. Also, I'm the firstborn. He was the second born. Okay, this is my power bank. I'm going to charge it because when I'm going to travel, I'll use that power bank. So this is my bike right here. So it helped me to go up to Nyabohanse looking for the guy who have the lorries and bring some sand here, guys. So let me show you, like, as my grandma car. These are random videos that I'm doing here, you know. Oh, guys, I can't wait. My last video in my village. So, guys, it's not my regular time to wake up right now, time like this. So, I wanna look for the guy to remove this stuff from here, putting far away. So I need, when the road come with the sand, they wanna put at the back, right there. So it's two trip, like one trip, second, and then within here I will left maybe the place where they can pass with the sand. Wow, super amazing, guys. So technically when I finish up buying the sand, I'll put here the ballast, you know. I want to put things in order. So wow, let's go, guys, let's go. You know, on this side here we have blocks, so I need to left a wider space. I think here the road can pass right here. So also, wow. Guys, to be honest, this is my last videos in my village here, and I will say God thank you. So these are the blocks, and when I left home, guys, I want to make sure everything it's okay. So guys, to be honest, yesterday I packed my clothes, and then it's time to left home. I know most of the people are waiting this day, and right now the day it's happening. Let's go. Ma, where can you keep it together? Sir, I forgot to go there. Wow, there's the cow grazing here. Let's go. The reason why I wear the gumboot, guys, I'm going deeply in the river. Deep inside the river. So I think, look, this is the situation that we have here. Oh, I think even Mkwabi. Okay, that's my sister right there. Let me allow her to say hello to you guys. I know most of you guys will miss my sister, but when I come back to the village, we're vibing together. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Yeah, that's my sister. She was waiting me to take her to school, guys. You know. There's some beehives of activity taking place. Guys, thank you so much for those people who are supporting me. Thank you a million. My God bless you abundantly. Without you guys, I couldn't bring materials, any materials. But through your support by watching my videos, at least at the end of the month, I do something. And guys, at this moment, I'm so happy. I want to say congratulations to you guys by taking Felistas to 1K subscriber, guys. It's not an easy thing, as maybe people think in our village here. No. Other people can struggling within 1.5 years without hitting 1K subscriber, but for her, I'm so proud of her. She hit 1K subscriber within short of month. That's 4 good months to 1K, and everything happened its own reason, and the best God is the best time, you know. So wow, I'm rushing up and I don't know where I'm going to start from. Maybe the introduction will start from the river, whichever the case, but at this case, oh, I'm so happy. Wow, it's a bright morning, guys. You see how the day looks like. Also, when I finish to build mama house, my next target is this house, and then outside kitchen. You know, I wanna work slowly, guys. Things will take time. Okay, let's go. So, guys, I don't want to film the videos while I'm riding within here because it's raining and then the road is very slippery. Are you ready? Yeah. Hey, you walk as a bouncer. Alright guys, we shall meet on the next video. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm heading to Border Town after escorting my sister. I found the road have some problems, so I left them to solve the problem, and then we're heading to pick the son. So in this case, I'm going to pick my phone at the supermarket because since last night, no power in our village, even from Border Town, no power. So especially in the supermarket, we can't run some supermarket with no power, so I charge them my phone, and then from that I think I'm gonna take you to the guy and then pick the son. Well guys, subscribe to my channel. There's a church right there. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. Road to success. Also check out Felistas, guys. I really appreciate it. So at the same time, that being said earlier, this is my last video in my village here. I'm telling you, serious. maybe guys, this is my last video that I'm shooting here, and then the following videos you will see, guys. Let's go. I'm running with the time. This is a dump site here. Okay. Today is a super calm day. Wow. You can see from other side. Let's go. Siendi. people need me to like to transport them, but I'm going for my serious issues. So I'm gonna meet the tarmac road, and then boom. Let's go, guys. Heading to the border town. For this case, I'll miss border town. For this case, I will miss border town. School van. Okay. Wow. Let's go, guys. Make sure you like my videos and then drop a sweet comment, guys. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on the comment section. Wow. That's the main matatu that we have here, you know. Yeah, it's known as Probox. That one there. Hey, for sure, for sure, for sure. If you know, you know, guys. I see the school bus from this side. Students are heading to the spots. Wow. See that one right there. Okay. Let's go. All of these trucks that we see here, or lorries, they are packed. You know, bring materials, like bring maize, other bring material from Nairobi. Whoa, look even at this one here. Border town for you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, this border town for you. All right. A man can try. Let's go. This border town, man. Look at this side here. Business everywhere. And then on this side here, this is a police station. It's funny. Okay. Let's move, man. Wow, look at that tinted matatu. Oh. I'm gonna pick my phone here and then run some activity easily. Hey! Yeah. Guys, brother Dagi was calling me. Chine 1 hour. Wait, hello there, bitch. Mama fresh. Yeah. This is a machine gun. Yeah. Perfect one. Yo, man.
Get ready to travel. Yeah. Hello guys, this is brother Dagi. Welcome first of all. For those people that you are watching Hello Baby YouTube channel, my good name is brother Dagi. We are coming live from home. We are at Hispania. Yeah, the weather is somehow it needs to rain right now.
Yes, look.
You know? But bro, I'm broke right now. I don't have money.
You earn salary. Go and pick your money. It's already.
Chitaracha.
She's so here. Thank you,
guys, Hello Baby is a good friend on me. We are here We are trying to make things to happen. And I saw you are traveling, brother.
Yes,
go with me. Go with me. Go with
Okay.
me.
If you're ready, you can go.
Do you have money right now? Do you have
money?
Yes.
Bro, I know on my side.
Okay, okay.
I'm
Guys,
senior.
support Hello Baby official. And
I'm
this
senior
is
now.
Brother Dagi.
Yes.
We are live from this side. And Hello Baby, how do you see this color of the tide?
This one maybe you put at the corridor.
At the corridor.
Or at the kitchen.
Oh, where you are just passing.
Yes.
It's good color. I like this. Yeah. How is everything, man?
Everything is good.
Yeah. Since yesterday,
Yeah.
we have not met again. But I'm happy to meet you, brother.
Okay.
You are a good friend on me. And I thank God when we are together, just moving around here and there, and just appreciate for the gift of life
Yes.
right now, because God is the one who blessing us, you know. But a little bit, guys, if you're coming on this channel, don't forget to check me out, because I also a content creator. Go check me in YouTube, Brother Dagi. I'm doing amazing video, and support, guys, support. One love, man.
Me, I had no problem. I'll support you, my brother.
Thank you, brother.
Yes.
Thank you, bro.
Okay.
I'm here.
Okay. First vehicle right there have been washed. Let's go. Boom. Right now the bank have been open, and we outside, guys. You know. Wow, that's Border Town. You see that truck full of maize sack right there. We're moving, man. Oh my God. Let's go. Okay. Wow. And today is on I think on Thursday. Niko hapa. Mnyama. Sasa. Okay guys, I'm going to pick my phone on the other side. It's time to go. Yeah. It's time to go, guys. I'm too short. Do like this. Boom. Okay. Huko nimeweka kwa kivuli. Kabe. Chorangero korega sokarora. It's time to go. Umusasa mpaka ruhu kutoka hadi mtu asida huyu. Bora tu mpaka wasi. Kwani wanda hiyo kutoka? Rudingo leta.
Tangan ingkula.
Okay. Oh. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like. So right now the vehicle is just okay. Kama kanyora kama koroma ngena korora. Numwe ko ke sakai.
Ora. Boy, kana ko.
Ngana ko saka ko.
Ay toskan.
Stage hayo.
Oh, wala to himo.
Go try. Eu mukeri hayo. Na ambule musasa ko mbuya ko kamteka. Okay, guys, let's go. 10:48 a.m. So we go 2 trips is enough. Anaona dekasi yangu kwa msukumo. Rorore. Kama nang pari video school. Ai. Ini fata dekaku. Maiga ancora.
Así yo no na área no coração no para.
That's how the village looks like, guys. Full of green. That's the maize corn right there. That's sugar cane for Congrats Dad right there, guys. It's the guy holding the sand here. Okay.
Ya. Arranque que. Arranque que. Berap. Sudah tak kayak kucing. Kau tato marge. Hah? Tato marge.
Okay. Hello baby. Thank you akore merafu agasaka.
Ekione.
Boyan.
Oh. Kamera yamone kamuipabe sana ni mwene. Umukonda.
Hata ni mwene umusense. Guys, you want to sold us for sand. Wamehesasi go. No Madonna. Bari tambe musesera to gore ngeke sakapo.
Ni mesense ki.
Bwana mero moraf.
Na hogole.
Ni mesense himu bita kana ko rakuro ikuru.
Wela kikundi ki.
Poro komano. Hey.
Wela ko ngengo.
Ni mesense Johnson iga gegen.
Ngengo no achotora ni bike biko akohonga.
Ora gari watana ta. Gari aga tunire pokungu.
Ngengo.
Sumbuji.
Wela weini na wesko je.
Ai kona ajira gasema musama.
Sada musama hayete.
Kana nokoga bono tabuli mudogo.
See?
Kama ngora.
Looking for the job.
Maro tutaya.
Ungato ke usato mahiga. Taga uri mense yo.
An sumbura.
Kana magende yo ke.
Ira que tá sambu. Temos mosense bono ke.
Lo vas a ir para.
Sería para. Kama tayun sita ke na sería para. Me hango ke.
Toco se le gallo no para tomar mucho más, o sea,
Bombo yoro ko haga sana maburoko.
Ay. Wiki.
Si wata mi buroko ko haga chani buroko.
Ko haja ni bro. Bono ko yote gombe wiki morro pokon. Basta sa so wata ko no ran ko haga chani bro.
Na gui
Kana haro bebe no ki wose.
Gui brasta ke de gunyora.
muy plástico.
Akini baadi brasta. Bakamo. Ana na
Brasta igual que hago yo con bare ka yoro che ko manche no brasta. Mosense wangu.
Ana ro guisa katege mo.
Wisata.
Pero katana no sé.
We.
No, tumusanze ke uno tako motora wa ohara. Uche gwikarukire sinda one ora kora mangana gano gata. Uri ora gambi gasitamba gacha.
You have your instrument.
Yeah, spade. Using for removing mchanga.
Scooping.
Aro baby, what are you going to do? Angkong hata. Mayroon na arachere. Narachere taranyo.
Sasa egari akabiru nintajon ne. Menor ale. Ganyo engke mangana gana.
Ara baby, tani miki video no yo angonte gerata mi ambiri.
Kore te chimbira.
Ogi mi ambiri honte.
Kore te chimbira ke saka. Tuma anto kanyere gari kore pa. Bono no ke kanye.
Egari lensari kuya.
Tieno yari.
Tieno mulisho yo hayo ale.
So hooting to alert people for their sound.
Dani mengire sikwa kora umuga monga wonte bia.
Orano gongo. Poningira tege ikire bege.
Let's
Ile mbili taja weka pale. Weka pale.
the young boys outside looking man. This guy here.
Ngoyo dugu na totore. Ni amasaga rega yo.
Atachi tuyenga na matagito.
Nantora haka gwe.
Hey.
Sasa ingia hano muri simati. Biwa.
Hato na ako ni gwande tromo sen. Let's confirm. Boom. Hey. Wow. Yani nikikuta mchangu na matope si baby.
Amna haro. Baby haro baby. This is Biwa soil. Look my friend, look my friend.
Mama tagito.
Look my friend, look my.
Tangay nilo.
Natukura. Sasa nko siworo tokore mo. Amna taga to kungaina. Kano matagito magadi.
Sawa gwe.
No haro baby. Kano masansi wa kabdo ko hawa ni group. Dokuma balisha oba kiri sasa amba balisha bano batane kole ushidani. Lakini mpaka kumumuru ora romano
Tema manyama. Rose. Matagito fali.
Iga nuni kokotebya. Hatoko gesa katogende gura. Gura kwanza ngora nyore matagito amanu nuko kotetoka nkunyori hitagito hikeke. Iko lakini ni tiga murango. Kana mosasa gura gura matagito. Ego. Wasale kamura.
Yeah?
Wasale.
Aya, twende. Looking for the job.
Mura. Iwango tebi.
Mena twa.
Mano mote akohe koreo ya no mote bitembe.
This boy.
Tawa yu mote.
Kila mtu atafanya kazi.
Namba yao hoere.
Okay. Bakote mimi wali hayo. Guys, he has a lot. So today we didn't go to the river. Ngo moja aitemba ndo kwa nkora kwa simiti. Ndi chankuli kiso kinsingi sema gano eba buchi nteme hanzika pu.
Kwani koreo. Ana benyo simona koreo hizo. Oya nenda mona kikoreo mtachuko koreo. Aki amgoro ta. Ta. Ona kwa ina. Maharu bibi hapo hikoreo.
Oi. Dosiri. Onim imunena yoka. Bano kokora numu yaitembe.
Mura. Ora numpa mungu amani. Ora ngonkonge.
Mwisho ngorai.
Namune. Wenyo numo
Na bana ke sakamono hatu onse.
wenyo numo ngo hi.
Itu ikara go ngora.
Wono muni na polisi.
Keteke.
Ato
Ya ro nyentre nu ko ke muni mo ko. Tame guyere.
adogo hinyo murai mbele ni kuhanda. Namba ya mwitahano yeri.
Nango te manda simu vai busy. Tena achi ahikire.
Aro baby. Amoleka uo batigo muntu no arari gasi yangu. Ndare hata mia tani yo gusudera haro. Na ate turako.
Tá murore gasi muro, por não mara bien. Sempre. Kono kote ichar sikiti ko agora.
Por isso.
Kono gwen. Kuringa pare kamu.
Kanan. Mare ni kyo gamba.
Siguro kona madunga maru.
Inga kona?
Amadunga maru.
Na nyombo. Nda poma sense. Ora na. Ente umuntu la sora ikote mero pura. Buya ni goma sansa komon. Ate mu prasta no haga de kana ke gono. Au bur no ate me. Amanya ni to kenyere kuru. Ke ko mu kuru. Wedo ko tare kero mo sansa tatigisia. O ke nara hara.
Village life.
Pango temere gari.
Tema ichor. Sikemo koro banya bote mikiro nguliri chai. Tifambe take koreka kohoma. Yani gihinye.
Ba kore bono hato parekera pia. Ate to veika to gani. Ukora ajeri ke. Ata me ajura na sekiri. Ara kenyera. Namba kenyere koreo.
Okay guys. See how the day go. Now guys, that's the best way by watching my videos. I do things every month, you know. Like for now, I wanna brought that 2 lorries at my mom's site, and then from that, guys, I'm telling you, this is my last video in my village. So for the next destination, I hope you're ready, you know. So people get source of income from this ditch here. So even these are sand right here, but this one are not, that is not good. This one are not good. Like when you're going to the river, no sand. So to get sand right now, it's very, very delicate. I think when I come from, when I finish traveling, when I come back home, I'll add another 1 trip. Hey, why, Mura? Utacho. I'm telling that guy, do quick and fast, or else you will be left behind. Utawacho, be left behind. Guys, this work you need to eat strong, and then can able to do this work. Okay, let me show you another one on this side. Hey guys, I will manage putting materials at my mom's site, traveling at the same time. This one are not good. Yeah, so we try to walk, choose. Imagine, people have sand within here. This is crazy. Okay, let's go. Guys, me, I'm so grateful on my side, and thank you so much by keep supporting me. So I want to go to the river washing my hand because I was touching the sand. Even on the other side they have it sand right there. So for now let me wash my hand and then see how things go. Oh my god. Okay. Hey, the water is running. Hey. Let me see. Fresh. Let's see. Village life. Guys, this water that's flowing here, it's go to River YouTube, you know. Oh my god. This is crazy, man, on this side here. This is a local bridge that we have here. You can see. So, well, this side. Hey. The more I go, it's deeper. If you're not keen, you may swipe it away. Okay. I wanna go this way. So let me talk with the guy to harvest the sand from the river. When I came from my journey coming back home, I will pay him money. You know, I need one tip and then to be put aside. Hey. From the river inside here, I think maybe, guys, if I'm able to find this when I came back, I'll buy that one. On this side here, this is the maize corn. Everywhere, guys, you wanna wash your hands. There's the maize corn on this side here. So I'm going to look the one of that sand. I talk with him like, bro, you know what, I need one full lorry, you know, and then yeah, things will be moving perfect. I see people struggling passing with sugarcane with their motorbike within here. Struggling with sugarcane. All right, let's see. Yeah, guys, by supporting me, by watching my videos, I buy sand and then I employ people, you know, they get money. You know, I'm not like gaining that money alone. You know, it's come through my hand and then I transfer to other people, like buying this sand, people get employment, you know, quick employment. Yes. Quick employment. Anytime it wanna rain. Okay. I'm going to surprise my mama. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, we finished this trip, so we are going to the next trip right here.
Iri jambi rinene kapo au itoko. Mira hapo hadi rinene. Kana kuona umonene ko bamura uitoko. Ona ritake gukura wa. Dede mbatu ne abanyo re ni simu na abase bigana hande hare buko ngindenge. Acha muda ukungani. Hase hande buko hare buko ngindenge. Toa tuma takore hiyo. Ni shughuli na yo hango so cyane ni. Batika ko teni simu ziki simu yo nuru. Yuri. Rata mbante me igo musure moche.
Guys, let's see where they have been now. It's full. I must be very careful. Very. Let me stand here. Yoba. Don't try. I'm just going to make a talk about it.
Bruta moyo.
Mare.
Kono
taho.
Mosense ko taho mosense ngorwani. Abo gari tute.
Kesa ko
TV ki gari rege saka sasi ko bakiro mosense. E hari no ngende temere mwemenye.
Mwesu asitanda soro.
Ni mburambe mwambura ngo te garra. Asi roba ma. Nisitire. Kana ka asi tuputi hano heka. Sumo sense ko ta. Okay.
Buyande.
Sisi tripumbi.
Ana ndari ni go ni ranga kwanza. Okay guys, we are going for the third trip to fill it and then we go back home. Wow. For sure guys, cow are grazing here. This is aggressive cow. Wow. So I think on the other side guys, we have sand. If I'm not wrong guys, you know, on the other side we have sand. Right there. I see my Yugnos place over on the other side right there. So let's check guys. Let's check. I'm fighting for the life, you know, to make my mama her life to be transformed guys, you know. So on the other side, there's a day I took Felicitas to make a video in the month of February. I see some sand there. I'm telling you guys, you see the way we are struggling to get sand on this side here. In the month of June to July, no sand. Trust me. Yeah. So I'm gonna buy some construction materials, more, and then I'm going to start building. It's one and for all. Whew. Rango memunyi kirunguri. Ena mandas. Tembe makango kenge kitu kidogo. Kana tu otare jure hao hari tembe. Panero ko mo sense nga kayimbo. Koro ko mo pas. Que barangu sira kere.
Ngurango twage. Mira chamuru homo haminya mangana.
Salama sana. Mura, amurotera ko yugu ihara kwa kumusiki hai.
Kama kimuhara go soko tere.
Watabuta ku ihara ma anko maige sonso.
Abarga ne chuye.
Wata tora hanyi hayo mu itatia kuira samura tora hayo mu.
Yamba ta sekro bate mi pushi mura tora lu. Asa na hanene hota chwa ma he.
Ai.
Mwewe.
Anungu tunade bo ni kali hayo gato. Tatema kimuhara dogo ore itiri hayo honsi gora kana ei. Iri hayo. Beno no bonga ni simbe ore tunira ei gupa. Tunoma conta mi kana kora oni ya ko hatara ku ya hare jaga. Nugutu. Dan honkoro. Ata wana tin tambi choshi bana cho. Ura kora kero masansi ga ku ya kero haro gute kora ku ya haro.
Kore wera nayo ni mukere meka. Wanu bo yite moko ma hata. Tembe nyano imukire yo ni wakagala tema mpaka ha. Masa sing lagi gorohan nek ngom. Isi gorohan iki. Ora tare komo. Yo.
Awote biri ka ye usaba.
Ora na guri mu kwa masa to ngana kono ege. Ngana kono ege.
I think, guys, now it's full. You see? Whoa! I say, dude. Guys, it's time to go back home. I'm tired like a goat.
Ready tarekera?
Wandara tuna tafre.
Kuringa muri.
Kuringa.
Atomera na yikwa.
Kuringa ari watalini.
Suri neko. Alino wego.
Itembe. Kuringa pari. Okora mbidiri agora. Mbidiri agora ogesak. Let's go back home. Guys, I'm heading back home with my father, like my uncle, brother to my dad.
Who was
Okay, guys. So the material at the back of me, so I'm going to prepare and show them where they can go and put them. You know. Wow, let's go. That's good. Yeah, guys. So this is the school where my sister and brother learn within here. I'm telling you. Yeah. Oh guys. Also right here we have the church here, man. I'm telling you. Let's go. Boom. There's a shop here. Uh-oh. This is crazy. The road looks like Shagarabagara, but let's try. That's road. Looking like Shagarabag. Okay. See that house right there? One of my sense. Wow. Guys, I don't know when the time allowed me today I gonna left home. But this is my last video. That's mobile. Guys, that's the maze con, and I'm heading home. So when the time allowed me to finish my stuff, this is my last video, to be honest. So when you are clicking these videos, it's our last video.
We love each other.
Yes, one love.
One love.
Guys, I promise you, when I left home, I'm gonna buy materials and then go. So let's like going slowly. Barach. Hey, niongea kwa nyiche. So guys, you wait. Look how the road looks like. It's crazy. Let's go. Wow. Guys, to get sun in our village here, it's very, very hectic. So this is the best time I can buy maybe sun, more sun, more sun, more sun. Yeah. Let's go back home. Guys, I'm so happy on this videos. Let me see my mama's reaction. Since I left home, I didn't meet with my mom or interact with my mom. So far so good. Let's see guys. Let's see. Yeah, man. That's my home. Beautiful home. Where you kuya?
Ndio kwanza usiende mbali.
Mine is disire. Tinango tevi disire. Ladi nguche del tango tevi. Let me park. Wow, that's why I'm calling home, man. Okay. Ona. Zinaendaka saa 7 hata ena kocha, kuna gari ya usiku.
Anko.
Sasa unaonaje? Zinaendaka sasa mpaka tuende Migori kuchukulia huko. Okay guys, let's see where they are going to put those sand, guys. And then time are not on my side, you know. Let's see. So I left the road at Nyabohansi. Yeah, this is the cows here. So I think we should come reverse and then put here first trip and then second trip and then they are going. Wow. So let me see my mama. Cara huko ai si deta. Escuma. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am good.
Okay. So nimeleta mchanga.
Aye.
Okay. Let's go. Utarudi upate hapa. Sawa. Okay guys. Uraro. Mbake tigai tino chiho. Sasa bachi kuchoka Mombasa chikara saa 12. Saa 12. Pona sio saa ngapo yinkyo. Yinkyo. Uruhano sasa be Mombasa kicho saa 12 yinkyo. Wano iki mantora hike kwi. Tora hike kwi. Wake kumantora hike kwi. Tayo uwe uche. Tayo uche. Alright guys. Let's see guys. Let's see, the car is coming. Wait that! Let me. Yeah. Okay, nda kwa tamasi. Na manyereka. Okay guys, the car is coming from other side. You know. Those are our cows. I'm telling you guys, you think that I'm joking? No. At this point, no. I just do my own thing, you know. Rich, young rich.
Yeah, man. I am man power.
Number 33.
You
Man
know,
P.
You know me, I was standing in the Chihende.
Okay. Okay. Let's see them. Ega. Wow. That's materials. Let's go, man. Every day I want to show you this trip. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm supposed to show them. This is my last video. Hi, yo. Ambia miko wapi ashuki? Iko wapi? Ma, arachiga. Ma utore hari. Hai. Oh, sawa. Mami ka acha utore hano. Man. O kabiri hao. Jumuricha mohome kokotoronde hai.
Yep.
Eh?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm trying to create the job for you. Yes, to employ you some job here, my brother. Okay. Yeah, I'll try to direct. Okay. Ibere. Monto no molito. Buena tarde, te amaga. Wow. Malete o kabir muche mohomme hay tamanga manche ngarahi hano Te vi ahí ga ko me eh Kani da sant to be here. Bona ta ka perna mora alingi. Mora ho member ha ubene. Eh. Wa manche ngara hili. Akuna maji na pereka mcha. Eh. Wa kunga nyini tiki. Nda chinche bale ta matoke patore. Ata. Kete ki? Ayo. Turambe sasa porong. Temu ke video. Ayo, hey. Yeah. That one is better. Hey, bro, mambo. Siapa nanya musuh macam ni kayak ini deh. Nanti biar neraben. Tiap orang pergi kau. Okay guys, tuku mambe ano ano bahas mo roba tura matoki kurang gitu ngono ben kana matoki ki wotari ga ora aja magara tu bucha magara kana ngono winyu me ko kenya aya tabe nyura tansu mansana banda tikere mama masabu te hike sirai Okay guys. is going for the second trip, I think. Let me check the time. You know, it's 12:17. 12:17. Kana kugamba mu. We. Ewe. Tawete matoki gaoga. Tigwa bare tano ba kureta. Ndatigire mama mia. Usono na matoki ohar. Kaka kengero. Mahu otoreiga. Bare tere next trip yo. Otore hano. Na hano. Tembo rete. Si bare trip yo kabere. Ongegora yega. Ndatigire mama mia chao. Tayo. Sauro. Hi. Guys. It's time to go in Border Town. Let me go, guys, to find them some cash. And then we're gonna do this, man. Time is so limited here. Let me see, guys, you know. I'm a man. Me, I'm gonna travel like crazy. Boom. Like boom. Okay, this is my bike here. So that being said, that's my last video. Alright, guys. Taking my sister from school. Sister, say hello. Enjoy 20. Say hello, my sister. That's my sister, guys. This is my last ride that I'm riding my sister here. You know, we are heading home. It's lunchtime, you know. Serious, guys. I can't wait. Wow. Yeah, let's experience life outside there, you know, compared to my village here. That's my sister at the back. Let's go. Yeah. Look, guys, how the road looks like. You see? That is crazy. Anyway, let's go. I'm going to left my bike. You know, serious adventure. And also, yeah, it's good in the morning. I boost my phone as the how am I calling this? You know, the supermarkets. It's lunchtime, you know. So eating takula that's why I'm trying to mean I'll eat the food when I'm traveling. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Wah. Also, I'm gonna leave the money for my mama so to pay the guy who brought the sand here for the construction. You know, I brought one trip, so I'm waiting for the second trip, you know. Wow. And then I left home. Say goodbye. Oh, today is Saturday. What your second? Okay, go and eat. So, kitaka ukia mbele bana. Nikibichi sana. Wewe katu. Kana gano negi. Yen. Ini ya wapi?
Istata.
Kana anke basari. So the guy who was the one who escorting us. Wow. Mama wameleta mchanga. Uwe. Utaisa. Ona, zimebaki dakika 30. No, Mimi nazenda hivyo, maisha ni mbele London. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
I show you the sand. Guys, let me see my mama reaction. You know, every month I want to make mama to smile. You know. Yeah, the way you're working so hard, mama. Let me build for you a house. Yeah, when God help me in other situation, I will support you also. Guys, thank you so much by supporting me. Also on my side, I support my mama. You know, and then did the sign to say goodbye. Alright, mama nente biri man ndamwitata letera matoke. Mwitana kura skuri. Musanze kota, mwitana kura skuri. Yoni tip. Mwitana kura skuri atora matoke hano. Okay, mama. I will left for you the cash. Takuachia pesa. Walipe mchango umepanda. This one trip goes to $70, 8 USD. That's 8,000 Kenyan shillings. One trip like this. And then mama, no sand, hakuna mchanga. Yeah. I'm telling mama, yeah, I'm going to the nimeenda mtoni, hakuna mchanga mtoni. Nimepata kwa barabara. So I'm telling my mama no sand at this case. I think mom, that's the tip. Okay, muita kama hata kuwa. Oyo muita mani pata letera matoke, muita nokura skuli. Ba aleta matoke atore hano. Iga kuyiga. Because mama tunatumia hela kununua mchanga. We use money. Guys, this is what you're supporting me the whole month. I do this and then more material are coming, guys. Let me say from next week when I'm back home, you will see, guys. You will see. Trust me. You will see. Mama, unajisikiaje?
Vizuri.
I buy for you blocks, stones right there. Sand. At least say you gonna hope for building. Yeah, kuna vitano mama. That's my mama, guys. Mama, at the same time, did the sign of goodbye. Mimi natoka nyumbani. Super green, guys, outside, see?